inside your wings. You are my...
Each type of moss has a different function. Mosses contribute to a livable ocean. They mainly grow in places where there are stones. Without our strong lights, we wouldn't see much. Many animals have a good life with few enemies due to the low visibility. For example, here we see a crab. He doesn't realize that we are observing him. And there goes a crab casually walking past us. Fortunately, they are used to people in this location. If you look closely, you can also see various small creatures walking around. From above, we can look between the stones, and perhaps a creature is hiding there. We also see many oysters. Look how the insides of the oysters shimmer when our light shines on them. Sometimes crabs go unnoticed until they start moving. Like this one. Here we see several crabs together. It almost looks like they have a sort of mini society. Look at how deep the sea becomes. We were already about 8 to 10 meters underwater, but we could have gone much deeper. What might be down there? We've heard there's a shipwreck. Should we go deeper next time to explore the shipwreck? Let us know in the comments if you'd like that. Look at how many oysters there are. And there's a crab too. So much life together, yet so different from each other. Now enjoy the video for a minute. These look like mini volcanoes, but they aren't. The colors are beautiful. What we're doing here is looking under the stones. Sometimes squids hide here. They are truly fascinating creatures. Unfortunately, no squid this time. But look, there's a big crab. Here we saw some flashes of light. Out of curiosity, we naturally went towards them. It turned out to be a person. Divers are often friendly people who appreciate nature. They are usually very aware of how fragile nature is and that we must take good care of it. It's called the black goby. This species likes the seafloor and belongs to the perch-like fishes. This fish is on the red list, meaning they are vulnerable. We are approaching the end of this video. We've seen many crabs and fish. We also discovered that crabs tend to live close to each other. Almost no crabs were living alone. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. And remember, appreciate nature and discover what life is really about.
I give you